Okay, so welcome to the class. We are just beginning. We have completed the topic called content words and form words, right? We could
Yes.
complete content words and form words and also parts of speech in general.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
discussed about what are nouns, what are pronouns, what are adjectives in use, what are prepositions, what are conjunctions, interjections. How can I classify these words under this content words category and form words category? Everything we discussed. And we started discussing about pronoun in detail in the last class. And this topic is very familiar, right? I said, children, pronouns are the words or the small words which we are using as a substitute to the noun in order to avoid the repetition, right? I said, instead of repeating the common noun, instead of repeating the proper noun all the time, I can use these pronoun in different places. Okay, based on the position and also the way. That means now I am just standing in front of you, right? I am standing in front of you and I am the one who is speaking here. So based on the way or the method of speaking, I have divided the pronoun, not I am. The grammarians have divided the grammar pronouns under three persons. Okay, you know, you are familiar with the three persons also. There are three persons under English grammar. Pronouns are classified. Not every pronouns, only personal pronoun, the pronoun which talk about persons. Personal pronouns are pronouns which actually showing a person, indicating a person, expressing some person's way or method of talking, right? So it is classified under three persons. First person pronoun, first person personal pronoun, second person personal pronoun, and third person personal pronoun, right? Personal pronouns means it actually shows a person. Okay, and we discussed in the last class also. Personal pronouns are classified under first person. Let us talk and let us discuss about first person pronouns, right? First person pronouns, you can see that in the sentence, the person who is speaking is said to be the first person pronoun. See, I am standing here, I am standing in front of you, and I am talking. Okay, by introducing myself, I am Miss Anju Menon. I am teaching you English grammar. Okay, and you are my good students. Okay, and we are planning to visit them. See, different pronouns I have used at the same time. It is placed in different positions and it shows different persons, right? So based on these person, I can classify the pronouns into first person pronoun, the person speaking. I repeat, first person pronoun, the person speaking. Second person pronoun, to whom am I speaking? I'm speaking to you guys, right? So you are the second person. The person
Yes,
speaking is
ma'am.
speaking to you guys. So you is the second person. And along with me, and I am here, you are there. See, I am here, Shreya is there. We are going to talk about Rudra Krishna. So Rudra, for us, she is a third person. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Rhea,
Yes, ma'am.
Rudra is one such a beautiful girl, right?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
Shreya, Rudra is very intelligent. She
Yes.
does her mathematical or she solves her mathematical problems in a very quick way. See, I am talking to Shreya about Rudra. So I am the person who is speaking is said to be the first person. I am talking to Shreya. So Shreya is second person and we are talking about Rudra, the third person. Clear? So pronouns are classified under three groups. First person pronouns, second person pronouns, third person pronouns. Am I clear?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us share. Let me share the screen for you. Let me describe what are pronouns. As you all know, pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. When we begin a sentence, we have a habit of writing proper noun. Shreya. Okay, Shreya is my student. She is one of the best student in the class. She dances beautifully. Okay, see, I have used, once I introduce the proper noun, I am slowly changing my proper noun into a pronoun. Okay, I am slowly changing the proper noun into a pronoun. See, so initially, begin your sentence with a common noun or a proper noun, then slowly you can use a pronoun as a substitute to the nouns. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
here we have
Yes, ma'am.
two numbers. You are familiar English grammar. It has two numbers only. We don't have thousands and infinite numbers. We have only two numbers in English grammar. Okay, number
Singular
one,
and
singular
plural.
number. Number
And
two,
plural.
plural number. So how many numbers are there in English grammar?
Two numbers.
Only two
numbers.
numbers. Singular stands for one. More than one, we are using a plural. Okay. So singular, plural are the only numbers coming under the grammar part. Okay. Singular for one, plural for more than one. It can be two,
Yes,
it can
ma'am.
be three. See, I have one book. Okay, I can say that I have a book in my hand. It shows only one book, right? Now, how many are there?
Two book.
So I have
Two book.
two book. I cannot say that one book, right? A book. I have a book in my hand. I have two books.
In my hand.
How to change it
Books
in
in
my
my
hand. Books in my hand, right? Exactly the same. I cannot say that if I am using he for singular, he is a plural verb, plural pronoun for that.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
They
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. No, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, your voice
as
is
a plural
breaking.
pronoun. See, suppose if I am using he as singular, what can I use instead of he for plural?
They.
They.
Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Agree.
ma'am.
You
Yes, ma'am,
agree with
agree.
my point. So we cannot use he's, which is a wrong usage. We have to prefer only they. Correct?
Yes,
They is
ma'am.
plural in form.
Ma'am.
Okay. If she is a singular, what is its plural form?
They.
They.
They is plural in form. Okay. See, I am talking to you, Agni. I met you yesterday on the road. You were playing with your cousins. Okay, on the road. It is not to play on the road with your cousins. Okay, you will be getting punishments. It's not good. Okay, we have to follow all the road rules, right? So I am talking to Agni, and I introduce by calling him by using a pronoun you. You, Agni. I met you on the road, Agni, right? But I can even use the same pronoun you for showing a plural. You children, amazing. You're sitting awesome in my class. I'm getting good response, children. You're great. See, so instead of calling Agni, I'm introducing you children together with the pronoun you. So you is an exceptional case. I can use yous for singular subject Agni. I can use you for plural subject an entire class.
Both we can use for you.
You singular, it stands for both singular and plural. Am I clear based on the situation? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Clear.
so let me share the screen once again for you children. So we discussed about singular, the two numbers. You have some examples here. We have he, she, you for singular and you for plural. We are using his,
Yes, ma'am.
her, I, all for singular subject. At the same time, children, you look at here. 1 second. 1 second, children. I've lost the connection as I was using my two hands for drawing. It goes. Okay, now plural. Okay, plural. Examples we. We means along with me, I can see Isha Binoy is here. Gautam is here. I can see Atvika is here. So we together, we are planning for a trip to Ooty today. Are you coming with me, kids?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, how can you say that without asking you? Let me ask my parent first. That should be your answer. Okay, so they.
Yeah.
They means more than one. Here also I am using the word you, more than one. There, more than one. Them, more than one. And us, which is used for more than one. Okay, now let us talk about the personal pronouns. Okay, so personal pronouns, it represents persons. As I have told you, if we want to talk about a person, for introducing as a substitute, we are using personal pronouns. Okay, they stand for three persons. As I have told you, the first person, second person, third person. Okay, first person means the person speaking. Here, who is speaking? I am the only person speaking, right? So the person speaking.
ma'am.
So we can use I and we. Okay, personal pronoun, first person example. I, we, us. Many are there. Okay, at the same time, to whom am I speaking? The person spoken to. That is to some other person. The person speaking is speaking to someone else. Okay, so about someone we are speaking, we can use you. Okay, second person example. And third person, the person spoken of. See here, I am here with Isha Binoy. we are talking about Advika. Okay, so Advika for us, she is a third person. Okay, so this is what we discussed in the last class. And also, these are the examples coming under the first person personal pronoun. See, you can use I, me, my, mine, ours, us, and we. See, look at the boy. What he says,
Sorry.
he says
Sorry.
sorry. Who is the speaker here?
He.
The boy. The boy is the speaker
The
here.
boy is
What
the
he says,
speaker.
I'm sorry.
I'm
right?
sorry.
So he is,
Yes.
see here, I can say that, I can tell you that
Speaking.
I
Sorry.
is used in the form of a first person. See, I am
Yes,
very
ma'am.
sorry. The boy says, I am very sorry. So I is an example for first person pronoun. Okay? First person
ma'am.
pronoun,
ma'am.
because I is used to introduce the person speaking. Now you look at here,
Yes,
what this
ma'am.
boy says again. The boy said, the doctor polished my teeth.
My
Speaker, we are talking about this
only
one.
one person.
Only one
We-
One
person.
person.
This boy is the speaker here. Okay, remember, this boy is the only one speaker here. He said, I am sorry. Okay, at the same time, this person, this boy is also saying that the doctor polished my teeth. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is
here?
not clear.
Ma'am,
Breaking,
your
ma'am.
voice is
Ma'am, your
breaking.
voice
Voice is breaking. Who is the speaker here?
breaking.
Ma'am, this
Again
boy.
and again it is breaking.
This boy.
Yeah.
Boy.
The
No,
same
ma'am,
boy,
your
the
voice is
same boy is the speaker here. He said
Yes,
the
ma'am.
doctor polished my teeth, right? See,
Yes.
we
Yes.
are happy here. Again, the boy says, we are happy here. All these three sentences, you can say that the boy is the only speaker. He is the person
Yes,
speaking.
ma'am.
He is using pronouns like I, my, we, right?
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
So the speaker of the sentence is
Yes,
only
ma'am.
this boy. He is the one who is speaking. So this is the first person pronoun. So you can label I,
Yes,
my,
ma'am.
we, are, us as first person pronoun.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, how
of course.
can we come in first person?
See, I am the person, right? If I use
Okay,
a
ma'am.
word, we are going for a trip to Ooty. So who is the
Okay, ma'am.
speaker? If the boy says we are going for a trip to Ooty. So,
So the
now
boy
tell
is
me
the speaker.
Who is the speaker? So the person speaking in actually which is coming under the first person pronoun, right? So the
Okay,
boy is
ma'am.
the speaker. The boy says that we are going for a trip to Ooty.
Okay, ma'am.
So we is also
Ma'am,
coming
but
under the first person
Ma'am, but
pronoun.
we comes under plural. No.
Plural.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because we means along with the boy, I am going, Amna Fatima is going, Bhuvana Lakshmi is going, Pavitra is going, I can see Racine is going. I'm not taking Angelina Jose with you. As you asked this, I won't take you. Okay. If you want to come with us, you join us. Okay, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, the boy says
Okay,
that we
ma'am.
are going
Thank
for a
you.
trip to Ooty. So along with me, along with the boy, I am there. Okay, along with the boy, I am there. With me and the boy, you can see Amna Fatima, you can see Cheryl Mary, you can see Tanya Salano. Tanya, she's engaged with some other business. So I won't take you with us. Okay, so
Yes,
children,
ma'am.
please listen. This is what. So we is actually a pronoun which stands for the first person, the person speaking. Okay, so let me
Okay,
share the
ma'am.
screen again.
Cleared.
Okay, it's clear. Now look at the second one. Look at the second one. How many boys are here?
Second person.
Two.
Okay,
Two
you
boys.
can see two persons. The yellow t-shirt, the boy who is wearing the yellow t-shirt is talking to the boy who is wearing red t-shirt.
Red t-shirt.
Red t-shirt.
Yellow t-shirt, the boy is speaking to the second person, another person. Okay, what are the things he asked? Have you finished your homework? So the boy,
He's asking to the next person.
the boy
The
with the
second
t-shirt
person.
is very happy. Yes, I have completed. What about you? Right? Me too.
Yes.
He'll be getting an answer like that, right? At the same time,
Yes.
did you study for your test? First
Yes.
question, have you completed your homework? Have you completed? Okay, so the answer is yes, I have completed my homework. Okay, again, second question,
Did you study for your test?
did you study for your
Yes,
test?
I study for the test.
Yes, he got an answer, yes, right?
Yes, I study
Again,
for the test.
again, the boy, boy is again speaking to the red t-shirt boy. I am talking to you.
I
Okay,
am
so
talking
yellow, the boy who is
to you.
wearing a yellow t-shirt is speaking to another boy, another person. And
I
this
am-
red
He was
t-shirt person
looking
is said
at
to be
another
I'm
you
place.
in
talking to
English.
you.
And this is the second person pronoun used in English grammar. Clear?
Clear,
Am I
ma'am.
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Ma'am, clear.
Very clear.
Speaking to the second person. I am, wait, I am Mrudul. Okay, who am I? I am Mrudul. Mrudul is
Mrudul.
speaking to you. You means I am Rahul. So Mrudul is speaking to Rahul. So Mrudul is first
Yeah.
person, Rahul is the second person. Am I
Second
clear?
person. Yes, ma'am.
Clear,
It's
ma'am. Very
clear.
clear.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay.
Ma'am, I don't understand personal pronouns. So there
Personal
are another
pronouns.
pronouns.
There are many pronouns. Okay, apart from personal pronoun, there are many. See, you might be heard about the demonstrative pronouns, right?
Yes, ma'am, we have
That
heard.
this,
that, this, near, and
These,
far.
those are used in the form of pronouns in
Yes,
English
ma'am.
grammar. You will be learning when you reach into the 8th standard.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I said
personal
it.
pronoun.
Yes,
Apart
ma'am.
from personal pronouns, there are demonstrative pronouns. There are many different varieties of pronouns. Okay, pronouns are used in the form of reflexive pronouns. I think you're
Yes, ma'am.
familiar with the word, but
Himself.
the term is not familiar. You're familiar with the
Themselves.
reflexive pronoun. Self
ma'am.
pronouns.
Ma'am,
We
ma'am,
learned
in fourth
during our
standard.
vacation
Ma'am,
classes. Self,
myself, yourself.
myself, yourself, themselves. These are also pronouns.
Ma'am, also, ma'am, in the fourth standard, we studied about some words of the pronouns. Not about that, but the words we studied.
Words in
Ma'am,
the
and-
sense?
Ourself,
Ma'am,
yourself.
These
yes,
are self pronouns. These are called
not-
reflexive
yes, ma'am,
pronouns.
self pronouns and all we studied, just studied that self pronouns. We did not
There
go.
is a topic called determinants where you will be learning
ma'am.
about demonstrative, reflexive pronouns and all. Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, in 6th standard, you need to know about only personal pronouns. Okay, personal pronouns are related to the person who is speaking, the person to whom we are speaking, the person about whom we are speaking. Okay, so these
Yes,
are
ma'am.
coming under the personal pronouns. Am I clear, Anandesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
We
fine.
have
So
got
first one,
since
personal
vacation.
pronoun. First person we discussed, personal pronoun. Second person we discussed. Now we are going to talk about third person pronouns.
Third
Okay,
person.
let me explain the third person pronoun to you guys. Okay, I
Okay.
said
have all three persons.
someone is talking again.
Manu is having some doubt.
Manu is asking.
Who is asking?
Manu.
Manu.
Manu. Yes, Manu.
Ma'am, will the sentence have all the three persons?
You want a sentence?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
will
ma'am.
the sentence? Ma'am, will the
Your
sentence
voice is
all the-
breaking. It's not clear for
Excuse
me.
me, ma'am, I'll tell what he asked.
Okay,
He is asking that there is a sentence which has like three persons. First person, second person, and third person.
I am talking to you about him. I can make
Yes.
I am talking
Yes,
to you
ma'am.
about him, but it is not clear because that should be a part of another sentence, right? So you should ask a question in return. Who is I? Who is you? Who is him?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
or I am talking about them. Okay, I am talking to you about them. So here I have included first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and also the third person pronoun them, right?
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am.
That should be a beginning sentence. We should begin a sentence with a proper idea that I'm talking about. I am the person who is speaking here is Miss Anju, and the you is Miss Dia, and about them means class 6A. That should be introduced first. Then I can use any kind of pronouns anywhere. Okay, because it is already understood about what we are talking, right? Okay, so now let us
Ma'am, I
talk
have a
about the
doubt.
third person
Ma'am,
pronouns. Children.
Brightlin is asking a question.
Brightlin also. Okay, Brightlin.
Ma'am, in that the boy is speaking to the another boy, right? So the speaker is the yellow boy, right?
Speaker is the yellow boy. Okay, to whom he is
Should
speaking?
be first
To the red shirt.
red shirt.
But when the speaker use the term you in his conversation, he's speaking about the second person, right? He's not talking about himself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
ma'am.
there we can label it as, see, your question is relevant. Good question, but brightly Lijo. Because here the speaker is the boy with the yellow t-shirt. Okay, and he is asking a question, have you completed the work? Okay? Yes or no? So who
Yes,
is
ma'am.
that you is
Yes,
actually in
ma'am.
that sentence? Have you
Correct.
completed your homework? So you is actually the red boy, the red t-shirt boy, right? The boy who is
Yes.
wearing red t-shirt. So the boy who is speaking is not speaking about him. He's not talking about his condition, or he's not talking about what he is doing. The boy here is actually talking about what have you completed.
Exactly.
I am not have you completed. So there is a second person opposite side. So he should give the answer, right? Yes, I am. Or
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have. So there, wherever I is used, that is first person. Wherever you is used, that is second person. Clear?
Ma'am, so
Yes.
when you
Okay, ma'am.
Right, Lijo, should I give you more examples?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now let us go into the third person pronoun. It is very simple. You know
ma'am,
this
in the
already.
second person pronoun, no, we have the sentence like I am talking to you. So in that we have used first person and second person, no.
Sure.
I is there.
Because I am
Here there
talking
are
to you. I is the first person, you is the second person, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank
Let's
you.
talk about third person pronoun. Okay, see, two persons are standing together. They are pointing their finger towards another person who is very dull. Okay, why he is dull? Maybe they are talking about that fellow.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so here
Shame.
first person, that woman, second person, the person who is wearing a
And the
cotton
third
jeans or
person.
whatever it is, and the third person is actually the person with white t-shirt or white shirt. Okay,
Yes.
so let
Because
us
they are
talk. Let
telling
us talk about the third
Ma'am,
person.
that men and women are talking about that white shirt one man.
So who is third person here?
Third person.
White
Third
shirt
person is
man.
that
White, the
white
white
man.
Boy
shirt,
with
the
White
person
shirt man.
wearing
Okay,
white
now
shirt
listen.
man.
Now you listen. Okay, the pronoun which denotes the person or person spoken of. Here, this person's name is Ram. Okay, she is Reena. This person is Rahul. Okay, all RR. Okay, Rahul. So we have Reena here, we have Rahul here, we have Ram here. Okay, Reena and Rahul, these two people are talking about Ram. So here Ram is a third person. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
So
ma'am.
ma'am.
what
Yes,
happens?
yes, ma'am.
He loves to watch cricket. Okay, Reena says he loves to watch cricket. Who loves to watch cricket? Reena is speaking to Rahul.
Ram.
That Ram
Rahul,
watch
about
Ram
cricket.
loves
Watch
Okay, so
watching cricket.
Ram is he here. He loves
Ram is he Ram
cricket.
loves to watch
Okay, so
cricket.
he is used to
Cricket.
show a third person. First person is talking to second person about a third person.
Third
Okay,
person.
she is my cousin sister. So here we are not including this picture. She is my cousin sister. See, I am talking to Rusin Suhara, talking about
Rahul and I think so Rahul and Ram is talking about Reena here.
No. Don't even think about this picture. Now you keep in your mind. I am talking to Sri Shankar about Pavitra. Okay, Sri Shankar, she is my sister. Okay, Sri Shankar, she is my sister. So about whom am I talking? I am
Pavitra.
talking about Pavitra Giri. I am
Pavitra.
talking to Sri Shankar
Pavitra.
here. Okay, so the person speaking is I am the one.
Yeah.
Miss Anju is the speaker. So I am in
First
first
person.
person. Okay, I am speaking to Sri Shankar. So Sri Shankar is the
Second
second person.
person.
And I am
Second
talking
Talking
to Sri
about
Shankar
Pavitra, third
about
person.
Pavitra.
Third
Then
person.
Pavitra is the
Third
third
person.
person. Clear?
Third person.
Third
Clear,
person.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So I am visiting her house today. Okay, so I am
Yeah.
again, I am the speaker. Miss Anju is the speaker. I am speaking to Anandesh Spy and talking about, see, Anandesh, I am visiting her house today. Whose house? Pavitra's house. Okay,
Pavitra's
Anandesh,
house.
I am visiting Pavitra's house today. So who is
And
the
this is
speaker?
the second
I am
person.
the speaker.
Anju.
So
First
I am
person.
first
First
person.
speaker
Anandesh
First
is
person.
the second person.
Second person.
Pavitra
Pavitra is the third person.
Excuse me,
Clear.
ma'am.
Is this
That's
clear for you,
clear.
children?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
Okay, so we discussed about pronouns today. We discussed about singular pronouns and plural pronouns today. And personal pronouns can be classified under Three
First
persons.
person, second
First
person,
person,
third
second
person.
person, third person.
Person, second person, and third person. And you know the
Excuse me,
person
ma'am.
speaking is said to be the first person pronouns.
Person and second
whom
person
they
who
speak
listen
whom
to
they
the
are
first
speaking
person
is
is
the
second
second
person.
person.
Okay.
The
Second
person,
person and
the
first,
person,
the first
second
person
person and first
talking
person is
about
talking
the
about
person is
the
third
person is
person.
not third person.
third person.
See, I won't entertain the mass answers. So let me ask a question. Question to Ammu J. Maliyekal. Ammu, please tell me
Ma'am.
the first person.
Ma'am.
Ammu, define first person with example. Tell me what is first person.
Ma'am, first person is the one who is speaking.
Okay, example with in sentence.
I am talking to you.
Thank you. Okay, now Chinmay. Chinmay, what is second person?
The person who, if I am talking to someone, the person I am talking to.
Okay, person talking to. Okay, can you give me one example?
I am talking to him.
I am talking to him.
And
I am talking to him. Are you sure that you included a second person
talking
in
to
your
you.
sentence? I am talking to you. So what is the second person in your sentence?
you.
You, fine. So I have another person. I am just moving to John Sebi. John, tell me what is third person? In your own words. I don't want definitions. In your own words, what do you get after the class? I cannot hear. Amna Fatima, define third person. If I use
Yes,
the term
ma'am.
define, there you should give definition. Yes.
Define third person.
Yes. With examples.
The pronouns which denote the person or spoken of.
Very good. Example.
Example, he likes cycling.
He likes cycling. Okay, fine. Okay, myself, Amna Fatima is talking to Gautam about Richard Milking. He likes cycling. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, at
Okay.
the last slide, the first was the he likes cricket, watch cricket. I understand that sentence.
Which
I
one?
understand that.
In the third
last
sentence,
third
third
slide.
person pronoun. Which one?
Yes,
He
ma'am.
loves to watch cricket.
Yes, ma'am, that one. I understand that.
Why?
Because of in this he loves cricket means it's a second person.
Okay, you call it as a second person. What are the second person pronouns used, Tania?
You, your.
Ah, I got the answer from Shiva Gayatri. What are the second person pronouns, Shiva?
Your, you, yours, your.
Very simple. You, your, yours are the only second person pronouns can be used in English grammar. So how can you label he as a second person pronoun?
No,
I cannot
ma'am.
say that I am talking to he. That's a wrong thing, right? I am
Yes,
talking to
ma'am.
he is a wrong usage, right?
We will
Yes,
tell
that's
like
wrong.
I am talking to you.
Talking to you.
I am talking to you. You. By looking at the face of a person who is just in front of us, we are talking directly to him. Okay.
So,
this is
ma'am,
second
he,
person.
she, and that's coming in
First of all,
third person.
Tanya, you should be thorough with the pronouns used in first person, pronouns used as second person, pronouns used in third person. Look at here, children.
Okay, ma'am.
We have all the pronoun list here. Personal pronoun, you, your, and yours are the second person. You can use you, your, yours to introduce a second person. Look at the third person pronoun example. We have he, him, his,
him, his,
she, her, hers, it,
it's,
they, them, their,
them,
theirs.
theirs.
Okay, are the third person pronouns commonly used in English grammar. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
clear?
Okay, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear, ma'am.
ma'am,
Am
clear.
I clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Very clear.
Very
Yes,
clear,
ma'am, very clear.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am,
So I
very
am
clear.
here with a
Yes,
few
ma'am, it's very
exercises.
clear.
You are going to identify the pronouns from the sentence, and also you should label whether it is used in the form of first person, second person, or third person. Agree?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
Okay.
agree.
Okay.
Question number 1.
Wait a minute.
I won't wait a minute. Why should I have to wait 1 minute?
Ma'am, we should write, right? That's why I
Okay.
should take the
Okay. Agree. Granted. 1 minute.
Yes,
Should I count right from 1 to 60?
finish, ma'am. I got it.
Okay. Question number 1. This car belongs to us. This car belongs to us.
What is the question?
The question, identify first person, second person pronouns from the list and label it as first, second, and third persons. Okay. This car belongs to us.
Ma'am, car.
Belongs, belongs. Belongs to us. Second
Okay,
question.
Please repeat that. I didn't get the second word.
This
Please.
car, should I write? If my voice is breaking, means I should write on the board. I'll use the board for writing.
problem. No,
No problem, ma'am.
voice is clear, ma'am. No need.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Exercise 1. Question 1. Car belongs
To us.
to us.
Done.
Question number 2. I won the prize. Question number 3.
Done, ma'am.
I heard him. I heard him telling them about the movie. Question number 4. You are the only one who can solve this puzzle you are the only one who can solve this puzzle.
Done, ma'am.
The teacher,
Hello.
Ma'am, only 5 questions.
now only 5 questions. The teacher likes her a lot. Okay, so let me start from Praveen P. Joshi. Praveen? Praveen, can you hear me? Praveen?
Ma'am, Praveen's microphone sometimes no working, I think so. Sometimes
Okay.
when teachers called him, he did not respond.
Okay, Rohit K. Jain. Rohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rohit, look at the first question and tell me the answer, okay? This car belongs to us. Pick out the pronoun first. Pick out the pronoun from the first sentence. Us. Very good. Okay, what person? First person pronoun, second person pronoun, or third person pronoun?
Second person.
Second person. Are you sure that we are talking to someone else?
First person.
This is first person. Okay, first person, personal pronoun. Okay, now my second question to Gautam KN. I won the prize. Pick out the pronoun from this. Okay, I is the pronoun. Tell me first, second, or third person.
First.
Yes,
Okay, this is also first person pronoun. Okay,
Ma'am, can Angelina just
Bhuvana Lakshmi, look at the third question. I heard him telling them about the movie. Pick out the pronoun.
I and him.
Could you please read a little louder?
I and him.
I is one pronoun. Him is another pronoun. Only two pronouns are used here.
Yes, ma'am. No.
Only two. Them. Okay, them is also another pronoun. Vishnu Venu, what is I? Vishnu, what is I?
Yes, ma'am.
What is I? First person, second person, or third person?
First person, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next question, Angelina.
Angela just
What is him?
third person.
Okay, third person. Very good. Third person. Okay, now Rasin Suhara, what is them?
Them is third person.
Them is also third person.
Third
Okay,
person.
fine. Now, next question, Adina Dasnayer. Adi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, look at the fourth question. You are the only one who can solve this puzzle.
Pronouns you.
You is the pronoun. Tell me what person is it?
Second person.
Very good. This is example for second person. Very good. Now, next question to Richard Melke. Richard, look at the last question. The teacher likes her a lot.
The teacher likes her or the pronoun is her.
Okay, her is the pronoun. First person or second person, or it is third person.
Second person.
Louder.
Second person.
Are you sure that it is a second person, Richard Melking?
No, ma'am. And third person.
This is example for third person.
Third person.
Okay. So do one thing.
person.
We'll practice with more examples in the next class. So go through the notes and all. Let me take
Yes,
attendance. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me take attendance. Don't go anywhere.